All right, let's watch this demonstration. I have 2 beakers of liquid. You can see the thermometers have been sitting in order to determine the temperature of the liquid. So I'm going to start with this thermometer. I'm going to lift it out of the beaker, and then we are going to watch what happens. Okay, what do you notice is happening? All right, again, I'm not doing anything, simply holding this thermometer in the air after removing it. Okay. I'm gonna set this one here on the lab bench. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. I'm gonna take the thermometer out, let those liquid drops come off, and then we're watching this one. Okay, and what do you see happening here after I removed this thermometer from the liquid? Is it the same? Is it different? Is it similar? What do you think? Okay, what observations are we making? What kind of conclusions or guesses might you be able to make? Okay, and then here is this thermometer here, and you can see already this one has started to make some other changes. Okay, and we'll wait a moment until we see changes in that red thermometer that came out of this beaker. Remember, the white thermometer came out of this beaker, the red thermometer came out of this beaker. They both contain a liquid, right? But what do we see happening?